Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to attach the Statik turbo bands to your Apple Watch. And it's pretty simple. First, you need to remove the original bands that come with the Apple Watch. And just in case you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. On the underbelly of the Apple Watch, you'll see these little buttons right here that kind of are flush with the Apple Watch. You just push that and slide, very easy, the band out. And do it to the other side, and you should be left with just your Apple Watch. So attaching the turbo bands is basically what you just did, but in reverse. You take your Apple Watch, and then you easily just slide it in right there. And one side is in, and then you do it on the other side. Like that. And now it is officially a watch. But probably the best thing about the turbo bands is that it has these Velcro bands on the side. That way you can adjust it to your liking so it has the perfect fit on your wrist. So now just pull right there and adjust accordingly until it has a nice fit. And there you go. It's all set. Now, how you use the built-in charger is actually very intuitive. In the band itself, there is a hidden cord that you can plug into a USB port. So all you have to do is make sure you lay the watch onto the charging station right here, like so. It magnetically connects. And then all you have to do is plug it into a USB port like this. And there you go. You're now charging your Apple Watch. Really simple and really easy.